Okay, today I'm going to get running again my logic analyzer. This guy is what's known as a Cyrus something or other. Sigrok is actually the software. Let's see if I can move this over here so I can look at it. No, it's not on this browser. Let's try this browser. Yeah, so Sigrok makes this little software that talks to a bunch of actually logic analyzers. This particular one is from AliExpress. It's just called a Cyrus. Its part number, if people are interested, is CY7C something 680 13A. So the idea is, first we need the software to install. So I'm on Ubuntu 18.04, so just doing that, I'm just going to turn my console on here. Maybe I'll turn my console on. Let's try the properties again. Yeah, it's okay. I think I have to have the console above the top cam. There we go. So we can see in here, we're going to install Sigrok command line, and Sigrok firmware. I'm just going to switch over to the console, press enter. And yeah, I agree. And I bet you boys and girls are going, oh no, he didn't sudo it. Yeah, sudo, get bent. If I have to do lots of package installs, I do not sudo everything. That's just typing extra keystrokes all the time, forever. Just be root. And if you don't know how to do that in Ubuntu, as you, just go sudo space -i, enter your password, and now you're root. And then from there you can do the package. Just be careful. I mean, don't do silly things. So I've installed it. And I'll just get rid of the console for a sec. Let's see if it's in my menus correctly here. Recent applications. And it goes by the name of Pulsview on the desktop. So I'm going to bring it up. And I'm going to change and show what Pulsview looks like. There it is. So this is Pulsview. And we are going to plug in this guy here. And see if, I believe last time I did this, it was fairly straightforward. Put the software in, plug this in, and upstairs in here, we just need to find the device. And I believe that's it. And there we see downstairs, oh, you don't see this. Let me add in a another one here. Screen, window capture device, window capture. And Sigrok. Okay. And we'll add in, there you go. So this, we pick it, you can see it's Cyrus down here. And we say OK. And now we have, let me turn off that one. We have two of them here. There. You can see now we have all the channels down the side here. And we need something to check. So I built this. Just 5 minutes and 555 timer, and just to do a pulse. So now we need to find a lead on here. That's number 1. So down the side here and down the side here, they're marked. So starting down here, here, ground, and then we got PB20 PD, and on this side here, that's like 2 rows of pins here. So I happen to have jumper blocks installed for PA, PB, and PD, I think. So let's go find PA1, which is in this block right here, the white cable. Let's see if I remember how I ran this before run. Maybe you have to put it on the other side here. D0. Oh, so they're using the D1s. Okay, so I need the D1s. So let's find D0 here. PD4, PD2, PD0 in this block. 1, 2, 3. Yellow. Let's try this. Wow, that's interesting. This shows up as D8. D7. Well, it's interesting. It shows up as D7. So I'm going to just take all these off. I'm going to redo this again. Okay. So, since we're obviously using the D's, I wonder if we can change it to the A's. So, sorry about that. I didn't have that screen on. But anyway, so I was wondering if I can turn this on to the A's. What can I do here? Decoders, views. Well, they let me label it. I'm going to just widen this a little bit. D0. It's interesting that there's this big white block in the top. I was expecting to have the A's in here. Anyway, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to join it back onto here. So if we're using D's, in theory, brown here, I put it on, it should be D0. Let's start the run again. Well, 0 on this board is acting like 8. So I wonder if 8's acting like 0. What if it's backwards? So we'll turn it off and move this to 8. That's PD0, PD1, PD2, PD3, PD4. P5, P6, P7. Let's try again. Nope, that's 15. Well, that's funky. So let's try PA0. Nope. Let's see. PA0. PB0. Well, okay, there we go. So we can see here our pulse detected from our thing. What if we can sample fast? Let's sample, I don't know. Now I don't know completely how to use this thing. Reboot it. No, that's power. So, by the looks of it, we have 15 channels here. And D0 is actually on the board PB0. So if we take the next one, which is red here, and we put it on PB1, and the yellow connector, which is the next, no, orange is the next one in, that would be PB2. And PB3, and then we jump over to the other side of the board here, and we got PB4, and then the blue connector, which is the next one. Oh yeah, if you buy these things, don't buy them monocolored. Next one. And next one. Oh, this is a tough one. There we go. No, we don't. That's wrong. There we go. P6, P7. So then we start in the D's. So PD0, which is white, over here. And PD1, which is up here. Take our next batch. And PD2, PD3. Oh, I think something's wrong in the heating in this place. It's being really hot today. PD4. Then we jump over to PD5. And the green goes to PD6. And the blue goes to PD7. I'll just take these guys off. So in theory, I've got them all in the right order now. Okay. So if I sample D1 instead, well, I just put it on there. Okay. So the next one in this row after brown is red. That should be next channel. And I'll just clip it here. And we will sample. Huh? Reboot it again. Do I have a dialog box somewhere? Let's just restart Pulsview again. Not responding. Terminate application. Let's run Pulsview again. Probably because I pulled the power on it. Okay. Stop it. And I should have two waveforms. There we go. So, our little logic analyzer. Now, I don't have this set up yet, but if I put a CPU down and I put one of these channels in every address line and trigger the CPU, let's say into like a 6502 to do NOPs, I should get the binary code out of there telling me what is actually coming out. Now I don't know what this green thing does. Add low-level non-stack protocol decoder. Oh, okay. I think now I understand what that one is for. I could hook this up to, let's say, I don't know, serial, and I should be able to decode the serial as it comes through. But yeah, this is a really fun toy to play with because it's kind of interesting. Without having to go out and buy a multi-$1,000, whatever, expensive logic analyzer. Now this would need a lot of reading, so where's my Chromie? Let's change that for that one. So this web page here, getting started with the analyzer, shows you the software and how to use it and yada yada yada, lots of stuff like that. Ooh, interesting. I wonder what else I can do. Decoders. Settings, decoders. Trigger. Interesting. New view. Samples. Wow, 1 terabyte worth of samples. Huh. Now they were showing on the screen here, Pulsview. Either I've got an older Pulsview here, or I'm missing a menu bar on here. I'm missing the menus on here. Huh. What is the difference between the Windows version of the Pulseview and the Linux version? I wonder. Which version do I have here? I have Pulseview 040. And what is the current Pulseview? (041). Linux Pulseview. App image. Yeah, right. Let's see. Can we get a app? Here we are, Debian. The Sigrok packages. Okay. Wow. That's old. 0.2-4. What's the date on this? Huh. This is the meta package, okay. So, I can never remember, 1804, what's its code word? Okay, I'm just going to unhook this before I damage it. And I will close off Pulsview. There we go. Let's put this aside so I can actually reach the typing thing. And I need console. The easiest way to figure out what my keyword is console. Bionic. So we are bionic. Okay. That means the last build for this, according to this, 2017 11.3. Zero 40 07015. Well, that sucks. That's wrong. We don't like that. Cosmic was in 2018. Well, Eon was done. That's the 1910 version. So well, I don't think I don't know if I have app image. Wow, 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 wow. I know I have that other one from Ubuntu, not app image, but the other one. What's it called? I've never used it, so I don't remember what the name of it is. Snap packs. That's it. I'll have to do a little routing here because if I want to run, I can either build it by hand. Like, I mean, I can download it in the source and build it. I wonder if they have a Git repo. I wonder. Ah, we can. They have a Git. Okay, well, this is going to be a build on its own. It's probably take me a little while to do, so I'm going to cut this off here, and I'll be back again probably with another part to this when I update Sigrok itself to a newer version.